shifting around to 2-0. Whoa, steady on, buddy. In about an hour's time, I believe. I think that windsock is already starting to face us. So slow